People are unique, and so are their music tastes. We want to celebrate individuality and help you find music for every moment. So we created Niche Mixes, personalized playlists for every mood, moment, or vibe, searchable by keywords and refreshed every day. And when we say niche, we really mean it. You'll find a mix for almost anything you can think of. Check out Avoidant Pixie Mix on the days you're feeling ultra introvert. And when you need a little more spring in your step, search for your Catwalk Mix and let the music bring the energy. To get your day off to a smooth start, search for Funky Breakfast Mix. There are thousands to discover, and every mix is available to every listener, but the songs that feature will be tailored just for you. Artist, genre, mood, decade, and daily mixes are personalized for you and can be found on the Home tab and in the Made For You hub. But now, you'll also find the Niche Mixes shelf in the Made For You hub too. Or you can play a wild card and search for literally any word or phrase followed by the word mix. No matter what you like, what you're doing, or what mood you're in, Spotify has the perfect playlist ready for you to listen to and share with your friends. Express yourself and lean into your individuality with Niche Mixes. To learn about more features, check out the Spotify Tips and Tricks podcast or subscribe to our Spotify Cares channels.